just went to see the cows.
Yeah.
They were so cute.
Love.
Oh my gosh. And there was a really cute dog as well. Sunny. Yes. Now where are we off to? Yeah, what's our plan? What do you want to do?
Anything and everything.
How far did she go? Oh wow, she's far.
She has like all the signs to say that says no needs dump or whatever. And I was so confused. I was like, who is just dumping their nuclear waste on the road? I was like, what the fuck? So anyways, the other day when we were over, I was asking her, and she said, yeah, there's like a proposal for like somewhere around here. And wherever it is, like they have to dig like so far down, and it's like beside like a school and like beside a river, and like it'll just leave the water.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like definitely like a big political thing. Oh my gosh, Lavender Farm? What the heck?
Oh.
Can we come back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's only 5 minutes from here.
Okay, sweet. That was interesting. Right, best friend? All the nuclear science.
She said we're gonna turn into the Simpsons movie.
No, Jenny! She did not say that once.
Yeah, well, that's basically what's gonna happen if we go through it.
Now we're off to her friend's house to see more cows and horses. And I think that's all, right? Yippee!
It's a plane.
There's a plane?
No, it's just
Oh,
a truck.
Jenny! Best friend. What's up? We just saw more cows up close. I got to pet one.
Oh, you're not excited about the horse?
I mean, excuse me, I'm getting to that part. We saw the horses next. I got to pet the horses too. Oh my god. Yeah, that was really fun. Now we're going to a lavender farm. And then we're going to go to an alpaca. Wait, lavender farm? Is that what that's called? Okay. And then an alpaca farm. Okay. We'll see you at the lavender farm.
Quick look and say, oh, there's a bee. So I'm going to avoid the bee.
Yeah.
And I reach in and I just do this.
Okay.
Now you can smell what phenomenal's like, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you do the same to head coat. It's a little bit different.
Yeah.
Wow. My mom always picks off.
So like,
The
you
leaf?
just like grabbed it like this?
Yeah, that's what he did.
Wow. I don't think I did it well. I was too scared.
He like fully went in the bush.
I know.
Try not to touch the bees, I guess.
Yeah.
A lot of them on that one.
Yeah, I can see from
Okay,
here.
this one. On our plan, but did I lock the car?
Oh yeah. I can't believe it.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, I'm so scared because you just have to put your hand in but there are bees. So.
Don't grab the bees.
Yes.
I don't know.
Let's walk deeper
We have to
in.
go to the big one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Labyrinth is a single winding path leading to a center. They are used symbolically as walking meditation.
We finished at the Lavender place and we bought jams because I want to get something for the parents. This is the sampler. There's strawberries, lavender plus peaches, lavender fusion, and wild blueberry. So I'm excited to try it. I'm glad we got the samplers rather than just like one big one, because then we get to try all of them rather than just, you know, one big one. And we're leaving now, but there were some harp players. Yeah, exit this way, I think. I don't know if you can see, but those are some harp players. Harpists? Is that what they're called?
Harpoonists?
Harpoonists?
No, the harpoonists are things that
you shoot the fish?
With, yeah.
Oh, oops. Anyways, yeah, but they were really pretty. Like, they played really well, and it was really cute. But now we're off to the alpaca farm, where we'll buy the parents' alpacas.